Get ready to spark your imagination and embrace the world of science and technology at Aarohan 2025, the 11th edition of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham's Science Fest. Happening on the 17th and 18th of January at our vibrant Bengaluru campus, this is a two-day event for students of grade 8 to 12. Dive into mind-blowing competitions, interactive workshops and super fun activities that will challenge your curiosity and creativity. It gets even better as you get a small sneak peek into the college life, explore our amazing campus and meet inspirational mentors who will guide you at every step. The absolute best part is that the registrations are completely free. Yes, free. So what are you waiting for? Gather your friends, form your teams and mark your calendars for Aarohan 2025. For further details, visit our website or email us at aarohan@blr.amrita.edu. Aarohan 2025. Innovate and elevate. We'll be waiting to see you there.